Just put on light. Then Rajat, I have already stated to everybody that you download annual report of a company and let me know that what company you are taking just within this week, and then within 3 or 4 days you are to prepare the PowerPoint slide on the basis of what sort of information you try to depict on the basis of your study of annual report. Okay, this is the thing. And I presume that some of you have not yet submitted internal one examination, midterm examination, you have appeared midterm examination, but you have not submitted internal one part. Then they are advised to contact me immediately. Those who have not yet submitted internal one part but appear in midterm examination. I presume that they are not in the student's role, but they appear in midterm examination, but they have not completed, deposited internal one part also. And Ramu Das. And few students in this midterm examination have attended the MCQ part, but not actually attempted for the second part. This is the thing. Josharaj is there?
Yes, sir.
Josharaj?
Yes, sir.
Sunita. Sunita? Sunita?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And I'm saying you one thing. Let me see your case. Most probably Sunita hai. Sunita, roll number 34, ID number.
Yes, sir.
But you have deposited submitted the accounting in the due place, but you have also forwarded FM part also here. Have you submitted FM earlier?
স্যার আমি ফার্স্টে দিয়েছিলাম ভুলটা, সেকেন্ড টাইমে আমি আবার ওই মানে অ্যাকাউন্টিং এর সাবজেক্টে দিয়েছিলাম, ফার্স্ট টাইম ভুল করেছিলাম।
But you have I want to ask whether you have submitted duly FM in FM answer sheet. You have duly submitted FM. Have you duly submitted financial management on that very day?
স্যার আমি ফার্স্টে ভুলে সেন্ড করে দিয়েছিলাম।
আরে বাবা, আমি যেটা জিজ্ঞেস করছি তার উত্তর দাও। তুমি কি ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ম্যানেজমেন্ট জমা দিয়েছিলে ঠিকমতো সেই দিন?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, স্যার তোমার
আরে বাবা, ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ম্যানেজমেন্ট ঠিকমতো জমা দিয়েছিলে কিনা? ইয়েস অর নো?
ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, বাস, আই ওয়ান্ট টু নো দ্যাট অনলি, পার্ট অনলি। But you have not done the cash book here.
না স্যার।
Oh. You have not done. Somebody has not done the cash book also. And Josharaj?
Yes, sir.
What's your roll number?
Sir, roll number 16.
Roll number 16. And you have totally some confused answer in cash book part. The starting is also very much, you have confused the whole thing in cash book. On September 1, you are to write two balance BD cash column 15,000 and bank column 42,000. You have not done properly in the opening balance also. You have tried, but your cash book answer was not correct.
Sir, the main problem that I faced that time is lack of time. I have
No,
just completed it in 5 minutes.
Josharaj, never do such practice. Don't justify
Yes, sir.
your.
I'm not justifying, sir.
No, you should not justify.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't justify your error. I am totally shocked as you have failed to provide the answer. I think that you understood properly. But if I see that you have not answered properly, then I feel very much deep out of that. Okay, that's why I am saying from next time you have to be very serious. Time is such,
Yes, sir.
and time is not so at all the key factor here. You should go on practicing more. Okay, Josharaj.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
I love you, that's why I tell you. Okay, that is the thing.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, most welcome. My task is, that is not matter of thanks. My task is to go on what is. I have already shown it yesterday. Okay, this is the profit and loss format. I will send the entire thing to your end. This is the profit and loss statement, a profit and loss depiction as per Companies Act 2013. Here, revenue from operations, and say this is the trial balance, and this is the trial balance, and here you have to see that revenue from you just now write in your copybook this statement of profit and loss as on 31st March 2015. Later on, you will get the whole file after discussion made. Before discussion, I generally do not send the materials because it may keep in your mail only. You don't try to understand. That's why you just open the statement of profit and loss. Siraj Company Limited, statement of profit and loss as on 31st March 2015. Okay?
Sir, wait, sir. Trying.
You draw?
Yes, sir.
First column is big column for writing your particulars. Then note number, this is accounting note number, and this is amount rupees. You have to write down the amount and rupees also. Oh. তন্ময়, তন্ময়,
Sir, done.
done. Then you write down first revenue from operations. Revenue from operations means sales. You write down in note 1. Here you write down like this. Revenue from operations, sales. Under the table you write down sales 12,40,000. Then less sales returns. Then sales returns. Here sales return 40,000. Sales less sales return. Sales 12,40,000 less sales return 40,000. Then it is 12 lakh. Okay. You have to write here revenue from operations, and you in examination script also you have to write a 1, and here you write the note 1, note number 1. Then you write in the outer column rupees 12 lakhs. Okay. Okay for everybody.
Sir, please go slow.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, please go slow.
But I am to complete the sum. You have to maintain speed also, Josraj.
Sir, in examination, we will make the profit and loss account as per Company Act 2013, sir.
Okay.
I am asking you, sir, I have to do that, or by traditional method we can do that you teach earlier, sir?
Both you have to learn.
Okay, sir.
Both way to learn. What appear in the examination, I don't know. What comes in the examination, I don't know. But you have to learn. That is I know. What will appear in the examination, I don't know. But you have to learn it. Both traditional profit and loss account and profit and loss as per Companies Act. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then sales less returns. I repeatedly say you have not prepared yourselves out of the ambit of the examination phobia. Whenever you learn something, don't ask anything about examination. Whatever you learn, that is for learning only, not for examination. Examination chhod do. You have to learn in MBA program. Whatever appear in the examination, I don't know, you should not know. Oh, let us see later on. Let the examination sleep on its own aid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you think always for examination, you will not learn anything. Whatever you have to learn for your learning only, not for examination. Examination is the outcome of your learning. If you learn, then examination is good. If you don't learn, your examination will not good. That is the thing. I am happy that most of you have answered the MCQ part find way, barring a very few, they have not done properly. But otherwise it's okay. Okay. Then revenue from operations have you written 12 lakhs?
Yes, sir. Yes,
12
sir.
lakh, 12 lakh, 12 lakh. Then other income, there is no other income. You see in this, there is no other income. If the other income is there, it will be in the credit side of the trial balance account. Therefore, no other income. Therefore, you have to keep blank other income. Then number 3, total revenue. Total revenue
Sir,
again.
why blank, sir? Other income?
There is
Can you
no
please
other
repeat?
income here. There is no other income, interest, dividend, etc. is not here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, number 3, total revenue. Again, you have to write 12 lakhs. Okay. Then number 4, you have to write expenses, colon. Number 4, expenses, colon. Okay. And expenses, first thing, material consumed. You write material consumed 8 lakh. There is no need of calculation. Material consumed. Then purchases. There is nothing in trial balance as purchases. B, A, material consumed, B, purchases is 0. Then next point you have to understand very intimately. Next point, change in inventories. You write down first, change in inventories. And you have to do it in accounting note number 2. Here you write 2. Everybody has done it. Change in inventories,
Yes,
colon here in accounting number 2. Note number 2. Opening stock, less closing stock. Opening stock, less closing stock. Opening stock is here in trial balance and closing stock in note. Additional information 1,20,000. Therefore, opening stock, you write in note number 2, opening stock, less closing stock.
Sir,
Sir, please repeat it again.
sir, then the value would be minus 80,000.
You write down opening stock in accounting number 2. Note number 2.
Yes, sir.
40,000
40,000.
less closing stock. You should keep it in bracket. A bracket means in accounting terminology of depicting style, bracket means minus. You have to keep 1,20,000 in bracket.
Okay, sir.
Then the result is 80,000 minus 80,000, that is within bracket. Within parenthesis, you have to write 80,000. Dibba,
Yes, sir.
you tell, you hear very intimately. Then you help others also. Those who are asking something. Generally, opening stock is the item of in traditional profit and loss account in which side? Debit side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And closing stock is the item of credit side.
Yes, sir.
Here you lace it. That is, you keep it in debit side. By force, you keep it entire thing in debit side. Okay?
Sir, please repeat.
Sir, please repeat it, sir.
Repeat korle hobe na. You open your brain cell. You open your brain cell. You try to hear for first time. Generally this opening stock is the item of which side of the traditional profit and loss account?
Sir, in debit side.
Sir, debit side. Opening
Debit
stock
side.
in debit side.
Closing stock which side?
The
Credit.
credit.
Credit side.
Yes, sir.
Credit side. Opening stock 40,000, closing stock 1,20,000. It is the item of credit side. Then you keep whole item, opening and closing whole item in debit side only because it is less expenses you are deducting. These expenses you are deducting the whole expenses, total expenses. You deduct from sales figure. Therefore, you deduct, that is, you keep it in the debit side. Deduct means sales less deduct means debit side. Dibba, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then, if closing stock is more and opening stock is less, then if you deduct it, then if you keep it in the credit side, you should keep 1,20,000 and debit side 40,000. Then net figure 80,000 in credit side. But if you keep it in the debit side, you have to keep as minus figure, is it not? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
I am again saying, don't say repeat. This is the last time you have to understand. In traditional accounting, you have to keep 40,000 in the debit side, clear, as opening stock. What you have learned in profit and loss account, you have to keep opening stock in the debit side, Kuilika.
Yes, sir.
And in credit side, you have to write 1,20,000.
Yes, sir.
Then if I keep in one place only, then 1,20,000 in credit side, 40,000 in debit side. Otherwise, you may keep net 80,000 in credit side.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
But we do not keep it in credit side. We have to keep it in the debit side because we deduct it.
Yes,
We
sir.
deduct it. Therefore, if 80,000 in credit side means minus 80,000 in debit side, is it not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. We are changing the side.
We are changing the sides.
Yes,
And
sir.
when changing the sides like your equation, the symbol
The sign is
changed.
also changing.
Yes. Then here you have to write 80,000 minus 80,000. That is, you have to keep in bracket. Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everybody?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, always in company balance sheet, you have to maintain opening stock less closing stock. And it is come minus, you have to keep in bracket. Clear? Dibba?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear? You have to
Yes,
clear
sir.
it. Then employees benefits. Employee benefits. Employee benefits. expenses, employee benefit expenses. Here, next point you write at first, employee benefit expenses. And you show calculation in note number 3. Here you write employee benefit expenses, note number 3. All employee benefit expenses you are to keep in one place. Therefore, in accounting note number 3, we try to calculate employee benefit expenses. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Employee benefits expenses, what are the employee benefits? Salaries. You at first you write salaries 1,14,000.
Yes, sir.
Then salaries 1,40,000. Then provident fund contribution. Salaries. Then bad debt is not the employee benefit. Then bonus to employees. You may keep also. Bonus to employees. 20,000. Interest on loan, depreciation on machinery, conveyance, loss on servicing, insurance, sales return, provision for machinery, provident fund contribution. Provision fund, PF contribution 86,000. Bonus 20,000 you have already written. Then what is the total figure?
Sir,
Salary.
2,20,000. Sir, 2,20,000.
Then you are to write here employee benefit expenses. You indicate it is in accounting note number 3 and 2,20,000. Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Then interest on loan. Here, this is interest on loan. This is finance expenses. Here you write finance cost. Finance cost. Number E, finance cost. Within bracket, you may write interest on loan, 16,000. Finance cost, within bracket, you may write interest on loan, 16,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then number 8, depreciation and amortization expenses. Depreciation and amortization expenses. Have you written, Joshraj?
Yes, sir. Written.
You know the term depreciation. Depreciation means diminution in the value of assets due to wear and tear and or lapse
Yes,
of
sir.
time. And amortization means some expenditure appears in the asset side, but you are to amortize over the years. Say preliminary expenses of the company. You are to distribute over number of years. That is known as amortization expenses. Okay. Then you note number 4. You write depreciation and amortization. Depreciation and amortization. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Depreciation and amortization. Depreciation, here you write, see, depreciation on machinery. Depreciation on machinery 18,000. Okay. You see it. Depreciation on machinery 18,000.
Sir, here loss on sale of machinery will be there.
No. Here write depreciation on machinery 18,000. Okay. Depreciation on machinery 18,000. Okay. And here it was given the you have to write, I will send later on. Here you have to, it is given there. The depreciation on premises is 5%.
Sir, it's given. Sir, it's given
On
the
the
top in the top place, sir. Yes, the depreciation premises. Sir, here a particular, sir, under particular depreciation premises.
And depreciation on premises 8,000. Okay. Depreciation on premises 8,000. Okay. Then it is 26,000. Here you write depreciation and amortization expenses. Accounting note number 4, 26,000. Okay. Then other expenses. Other expenses. Other expenses. Okay. Then other expenses. What are the other expenses? All other expenses. Bad debt, conveyance, loss on sale of machinery and insurance. Other expenses. You write down. Other expenses. Bad debts.
Other expenses.
You write down in accounting note number 4, 5 other expenses. Bad debts. It is 3,800. Here bad debt 3,800. Conveyance.
Sir, what is conveyance, sir?
Conveyance.
Sir, what is
Conveyance.
conveyance?
Transport cost. Conveyance 4,000. Bad debt, conveyance, insurance. Bad debt, conveyance, insurance, and loss on sale of machinery. What you told earlier. All other expenses. Bad debt, then conveyance, then insurance. Okay. And loss on sale of machinery. You add it up. What is the total other expenses?
44,000.
44,000.
Sir, it is 44,000, sir.
Here you write G, other expenses 44,000. And you have shown in accounting note number 4. Then you total expenses. Then you total expenses. Other than this 80,000, then you have to deduct this 80,000 out of total. Okay, is it not?
Yes, sir, because it is minus. And
Because it is minus. You total the all other expenses.
Sir, it is showing 3 lakh 3,06,000
E.
total expenses.
ना अरे क्वांटियल कंज्यूम नहीं तो 8 लाख.
Sir, after 8 lakh plus, then there. Oh, okay, sir.
1026,000.
Total expenses 1026,000. Then you deduct 12 lakh minus 1026,000. Profit and next you write number 5, Roman 5, profit and loss before tax. And within bracket you have to show number 3 minus number 4. 3 minus 4. Total revenue minus total expenses. 3 minus 4. That is 12 lakh minus 10 lakh 26,000. Have you done it? Josharaj,
Yes, sir.
this is profit and loss before tax. And then
Yes, sir. 1,74,000.
1,70,000. Okay. Then provision for taxation is there, 60,000. Then you deduct, then you write provision for tax. You have to keep within bracket means minus 60,000.
The provision for tax means
That means you keep some amount for paying tax, income tax. This is provision for tax. Always you have to keep some amount for paying tax. You have not yet paid tax, but you keep provision for that. Is it not? This is 60,000. Then you have to find out number 7, profit or loss after tax. This is 5 minus 6. And this is
Sir,
4
it is
minus 5.
1,14,000.
4 minus 5. You have to write 5 minus 6. Roman 5 minus 6. This is 1,14,000. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, for doing this sum is very good, very simple. But you have to memorize this table. You have to read it 3 or 4 times. Then you have to tell story one to another. Group activities must be there. Revenue from operations, other income, total income, expenses, material consumed, purchases, change in inventories, employee benefit expenses, finance cost, depreciation, other incomes. You may do in your own way. You may memorize in just keeping the first letter. This is ROT, R-O-T, revenue, other income, total expenses, total income, then expenses. Then expenses you may write all other expenses that you should not memorize. You may get it just you may do it 1 or 2 times, and then profit loss before tax, provision for tax, and profit and loss after tax. Okay. Thank
Hello,
you.
sir. Hello, sir.
Mm.
Sir, this is also consolidated profit and loss account, na?
না, this is profit and loss account. কিছু কিছু জিনিস বেশি জেনে গেলে আগে জেনে গেলে খুব মুশকিল।
না স্যার, তুমি যে দিয়েছিলে না ওই অ্যানালাইজ করতে অ্যানুয়াল রিপোর্ট,
না আমি কনসলিডেটেড কথাটা কোনোদিন বলিই নি।
না না, অ্যানুয়াল রিপোর্টে কনসোলিডেটেড থাকে সব সময়।
অ্যানুয়াল রিপোর্টে আছে, অ্যানুয়াল রিপোর্টে কনসলিডেটেড কথাটা মানে হচ্ছে if any company had several sister company, say Steel Authority Limited, India Limited, they have 3 or 4 sisters companies. Within those sisters company, if they produce one company, this is known as consolidated company. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is something complex. You have to show in your PowerPoint that this company is holding company. That company is known as holding company. If one company purchased the more than 50% shares of other company, that first company is termed as holding company. That holding company is to show consolidated profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But here we are dealing with the profit and loss of one single company. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then You do it. And Josharaj,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you put one information to your fellow participants. Then those who have not submitted internal one part, they are to mail me
Assignment, sir.
assignment.
Okay, sir.
Please send this
Internal one. They have
Okay,
not
sir.
made in internal one, but they appear in the midterm examination. What will be their case?
Sir,
Bolo?
sir, could you please tell our internal marks, sir, if you don't mind?
না না এখনো বলবো না নীলাভ্র প্রতিদিন চাইছো কেন মার্কস ঘুমাও
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
একটু স্লিপিং পিল খেয়ে নাও
Sir, please send the PPT.
না না আমি
Oh,
দেব
sorry.
আমি দেব না এখন কারণ একটু প্লাস মাইনাস করতে হচ্ছে এখন দিয়ে দিলে সেটা নিয়ে ঝামেলা হয় আমার কাজটা আমাকে করতে দাও না তোমরা আমার কাজে বড় বেশি অংশগ্রহণ করতে চাইছো আমি দিচ্ছি না তার কারণ আছে তো বুঝছো নীলাভ্র ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আরে এটা ভালো নম্বরই পেয়েছো এটা আগের থেকে জেনে তোমার কি লাভ বাড়িতে মাছের পিস বড় দেবে তাহলে আমার
না, না,
কাছে
স্যার।
তাহলে আমার কাছে আসবে আমি খাইয়ে দেবো I am not sending it because if it is uploaded, then if I put additional 1 marks also, this will be hue and cry. Okay. Depending upon the total marks, we have to adjust something because of students' benefit. You have asked another day also. But whenever the time comes, I will upload it and you will see it in ERP also. ERP is not yet prepared by the university. Okay. You may check it in ERP also.
Okay, sir.
Before submitting in ERP, depicting in ERP, this is my policy not to disclose it. And I always uphold my principles. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.